Hi everybody, Joel for BVN Realty. Today I'm at Villa PLAYA Hermosa. We're about 20 minutes away from San Juan Del Sur. We're high up on the mountains with, I'm telling you, the absolutely most stunning view of the Pacific Ocean. In addition to that, we can actually see Costa Rica from here, which is absolutely incredible. I'm sitting at the pool area, and there's a swim-up bar with a full kitchen. We also have a small grotto to my left, which is absolutely incredible. So a little bit of shade. Join me as we walk through this house, or the villa. It's going to be incredible, I guarantee you. So one of the amazing things about this property is the landscape. We've got all kinds of vegetation, trees, plants, shrubs. It's absolutely most tastefully decorated. Walk with me while we view the rest of the property. Nice pool for entertaining guests, of course. You can't, I don't know if you can quite see it from here, but just off to the barbed wire, we've actually got the road. So parking is quite close here. What I like about this property too is the accessibility, the closeness to San Juan and the paved road. And on the way from San Juan till here, there's all kinds of shops and restaurants. So you don't necessarily have to go into San Juan to get all your services. They're available out here. And we're really only about maybe 3 or 4 kilometers away from Playa Hermosa, a great surf spot. Okay, let's go see the rest of the house. We've got a nice deck here, nice lounging area. Over here we've got a magnificent outdoor shower. Further up the stairs, see what I mean by the beautiful vegetation? There's all kinds of glorious trees, all kinds of great shrubs, professionally landscaped. Absolutely gorgeous. Even the stonework here on the stairs is quite remarkable. Got an outdoor table. For me, this is the $5 million view. This home lists for $229,000. It's absolutely a great price for this amazing view. Now, it's only a 1-bedroom house, but we have an option for an extra $30,000. There's another property just below it where we can have your guests stay. Although there is in the property, or in the main unit, there is a pull-out couch or a pull-out futon, so you can sleep some extra guests. But if you're a couple of 2 people, this is absolutely a stunning property. So let's go and check out the inside of the house. We've got these great doors. Looks like teak wood. Inside, we've got lots of ceiling fans, amazing plaster work, another giant window. Coming into the kitchen, we've got all your modern amenities, all the Western modern amenities. We've got Wi-Fi access, we've got a double sink, we've got a 6-burner propane stove, we've got a modern refrigerator. Everything is furnished in here as well. I'm not sure if the artwork is staying, but all of your appliances, we've got, you know, a toaster, your blender, your coffee maker, everything is included. Let's go have a look at the bedroom. Follow me. Inside the bedroom, we've got another large cathedral ceiling that extends from the living room, and it's all bamboo. We've got a nice queen-size bed. And the other neat thing that I really like about this bedroom is we've got a massive wardrobe. So his and hers wardrobe, we can fit all of your clothing in here. It's nice and cool in here, but we also have a ceiling fan, and we've got another air conditioner. But with the prevailing winds high up on the mountain here, it's going to keep the unit very cool. But you know, so you might only use the air conditioning sparingly. We'll walk into the washroom here. The washroom, again, it has all your modern amenities, your flush toilet, a really nice custom sink, and an outdoor shower, which is really kind of remarkable. We've got some fauna and some flora in the bathroom here. Nice and private, good water pressure, and it also has warm water, hot water, if you will, so you can have a cold shower or a warm shower, whichever you prefer. Let's just go back out here. We'll take one more look at the stunning view and just kind of summarize this property. It's 3 acres. There's the option to have the second unit, for, like I said, for an extra $30,000. But for a 1-bedroom unit with the most stunning view that I've seen thus far, a view of Costa Rica, a view of the Pacific, 20 minutes from San Juan del Sur. It's excellent, excellent value for what you're getting here. Thanks for watching this video, and we're going to talk more about this property with our team at BVN. So stay tuned.
So this is the other property that is for an additional $30,000. I just wanted to show you quickly what the outhouse, building looks like. It's another place where you can have your guests stay. So follow me. I'm just going to go behind the camera just because it's a little bit easier. It's a little tighter quarters. So again, we've got a really nice terrace here. We've got amazing stucco work. It's all covered. It's nice and shaded. There's lots of, lots of prevailing winds. We've also got a ocean view from here as well. There's a driveway with access, of course. And there's an outside area where you can have a nice little siesta in the beautiful hammock, or you can eat your meals outside. As you can see, the unit is a little bit smaller, but for if you're having some guests or your in-laws, that kind of thing, it's absolutely perfect. Or if you've got some teenagers, it is a 1-bedroom as well, and it's for an additional $30,000. We'll just go through the large door here. Inside, we've got, a nice little basic kitchen, single sink. We've got a little propane stove. We've got a refrigerator, of course. And then we've got a full washroom as well with, a flush toilet and a nice large walk-in shower. Nice big cathedral ceilings. And the bedroom is very simple. It's got the mosquito netting, but it's got another wardrobe, comes fully furnished. Another great little unit here to add to the property. You've got your own electrical panel. And again, we'll go outside here and enjoy the nice view. So in addition to the other property, this is a nice little add-on that you can quickly add on for an extra, say, $30,000. It's great value. It's got all the amenities you need for your guests. We'll have some more information about this property in the full listing. So thanks for watching, and hope you really enjoyed this property as much as we have. Thanks. Bye.
Well, we are going to discuss the insights of this property. With me is Bastien, our CEO, Joel, our marketing manager.
Yes, thank you.
So what's your thoughts on this property, guys?
Thanks, Diego. And just want to introduce Diego as our financial manager as well. So we've got a really good team here at BVN. Of course, Bastien is the main realtor. Myself as a marketing manager, and Diego as the financial manager. So we're going to discuss the benefits and the features of this property. I'll pass it over to Bastien.
So first things, we are in the very good location, south of San Juan del Sur, only few kilometers. So it's really 15 minutes to join from city centers this property. The access is perfect in the sense you have no river to pass. The road is paved, and we use the main coastal road, which is from San Juan del Sur. We join and will be open until Costa Rica very soon. We find interest and benefit on this house because of the land. It's a 3 acres property land. It's very big. And on price, we have $169,000 on same style studio in city centers with like very similar type. We have a loft, 2 bedrooms with list at $189,000. So here to check a $229,000 property, we find it very coherent. So it's only a 1 bedroom. It could be add an independent structures dependency with bedroom, bathroom, kitchens, which is like 60 meters down to the lot for $30,000 extra. But for the one bedrooms unit, which is this main unit, it's called Casa Guayacan. 1 main bedrooms with bathrooms, an outside shower, a main terrace, second half terrace intermediate, plus this pool, and where you are now, Diego, the kitchens area, the outside kitchens. We see so that the end on comparating pricings, we are with like a Korean basis. 229 is not too expensive, not too far. It's actually the market price.
One of the neat thing I saw here is there seems to be an on-site person that takes care of the landscaping. That can be negotiated?
Exactly. The main owner has his house, his property just next to you. He has a very deep well of about 80 feet deep, and we still will use him to use the water. So he has all the staff of maintenance, security, or any other things you need, who could be also provided through this owner to the new owner.
And the distance we are from Playa
HERMOSA.
Hermosa.
So we are about 1.5 kilometers from the entrance gate of Playa HERMOSA. Playa HERMOSA, it's a private beach. So the access require a payment of $3 for publics to get in per person. And there is an inside road of 3 kilometers. So it's really 4.5 kilometers to access to the beach. It will take us from 10 to 15 minutes probably.
Okay. And the so all of the, because of the road is paved, it's eventually going to be connected so that you can go to the border at Costa Rica and Nicaragua. Is that correct?
Exactly. So this year, 2021, restarts a big project of road from Ochomogo, it's a bridge on the Pan American Road, to join the region of Tola in the beach of Las Salinas. This is one of the main projects of Nicaragua. The second big project will concern us more. It's the Coastal Road project with the border opening. It's a binational project between Costa Rica and Nicaragua. And it will give us access to like a very facility of joining Costa Rica. The main airport of Costa Rica, it's Liberia, bigger than San Jose. And it's only 40 minutes from here, 50 minutes from here, using this road if the road is paved and the border open. Also for all the commodity for expats, usually we say about hardware store, price mark, all the groceries. So accessing by Liberia will make us a big saving time comparing to go to Managua.
Right.
And I would like to add that this will make more competitive the region with better financial outlooks in the near future and a lot of new investment from private sector and public sector.
Excellent. So this is a great opportunity for us to discuss, the properties here, and I'm sure you all have, many more questions that you'd like to ask about this property. You can contact us at BVN, and we can talk to you over WhatsApp. We can communicate versus Messenger. Send us an email. Any sort of inquiry about this property, and either myself or Bastien or Diego will be more than happy to answer your questions about this property if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching our video today, and I hope you enjoyed our perspective. And we're now going to go enjoy the pool for a moment or two.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
See you guys.
Adios.